Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service light on a BMW M3 or M4 or any BMW with this style instrument cluster and with this BC button here. There's two buttons here. One is for your automatic high beams and the other one is the BC button. The BC button is what we're going to be using today. So the first thing you want to do is put the vehicle in accessory mode. So you do that by pressing the start stop button 3 times really quick. So 1, 2, 3. And it turns on all these lights, and you just want to wait for these warnings on the top to go away before you do anything else. And when you press that start stop button 3 times, you don't want your foot on the brake or else you're going to start the car. And next thing you're going to want to do is go to the BC button and just hold it down for about 15 seconds. You're going to see the menu change after those 15 seconds, or sometimes it might take a little longer. You can see the menu change here. What you're going to do next is you're going to hold down the BC button for about 5-10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. You see the menu change. It said reset ? This time. And you hold the BC button down again for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you let go of the BC button and it starts to reset. There you go, it says reset successful.